Atwea Mountains in the Central District of the Ashanti region is one of the popular mountains noted for prayer meetings and retreats. The 800-feet mountain hosts several camps where pilgrims from different parts of the country congregate. Climbing the mountain is a Herculean task for the young and old. Difficulty in climbing will make it impossible for any COVID-19 task force to visit the various camps daily to check the adherence to the protocols by the faithfuls. Atwea Central, as at May 5, had a COVID case count of 104. This is one of such prayer camps on top of the mountains. Members in this camp were seen singing, but not all of them were in their nose masks. Some had handkerchiefs used as nose masks. The entrance of the camp did not have Veronica buckets for the hand-washing protocol. Leader of the group, Apostle Vincent Amuako, attempted this explanation when asked why there was no Veronica bucket and none wearing of the nose masks by some of the worshippers.
Yeah, but no. Max near toy no, the toy box. But if you do somebody no man ever no, a free toy. It's a good one and come. Tiafina Yasuma will be so Uncle to be any petrol in your family. To Obu or no will be, but we're used to my time. I'm on the Atwea and so Rono. I'm saying, any rubber went to your banner, I will do it and sing in your basin.
The situation was, however, different at the Methodist Camp 3, where at the entrance of the camp, a Veronica bucket has been placed and anyone entering was asked to wash their hands. All persons entering were to be in their nose masks as well. One of the pilgrims told TV3 the protocols are strictly enforced at the Methodist camp in obedience to the president's directives. For him, as Christians, disrespecting the president's directive is also a sin. Secretary of the Methodist Camp 3, Joseph Watin Fojo, stated all pilgrims to their camp are asked to adhere to the preventive protocols. District Chief Executive for Atwea Central, Kojo Banahini Bediako, disclosed prior to the reopening of the Atwea Mountains after the restrictions on religious gatherings were eased. The assembly engaged all the leadership of the various camps and entreated them to adhere to the protocols. He said although some of the camps were not adhering to the preventive protocols, they have been cautioned to do so due to the high numbers that congregate there.
Occasionally we also move up and come and check whether what we said they should do, they are following up. Now, if we want to come back and pray, the place is open up, but they have to make sure that they follow the protocols that have been enshrined. So, because there are some number of people from different regions that have come, and because they are not those who have been staying there on the mountain for long, they were doing their own thing. So what we're going to do is that we're going to make sure the leadership of those places make sure that if somebody comes over and they want to have their spiritual activities, they may be talked to and also advised to also adhere to the protocols. The prayer is good, but when you have issues that is physical, you also manage it to the physical.
Ashanti region has recorded 15,526 cases of COVID with 15,230 recoveries as at May 5. A total of 253 have, however, died of the virus in the Ashanti region. Beatrice Piogabra, Atwea Mountains, Atwea Central.